Sitting that close to the TV is bad for your health.
Oh no, and the TV stuffed our nose.
Oh, wow.
Wow, I can really smell it. Oh my god. Oh. You guys stink.
All right, this is called Simprov. It stars Jill and Cody with a special appearance by Nathan.
Ooh.
You guys ready? Come on up.
Hey everyone, how you doing tonight? Yeah. Hey, we're Jill and Nathan and Cody, collectively known as Simprov.
Yeah.
Who likes The Simpsons?
Everybody!
Yay! So we're gonna do an improv scene for you where a third of the lines are gonna be random Simpsons quotes that Cody has on his phone, okay? All right, so to get started, what's a describey word? What's an adjective?
Smelly.
Smelly. You like smelly?
Smelly word.
All right.
Hi, Steve.
Hey, Tom.
I've been stuffed up for like 3 weeks,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
I haven't really been like to the store,
Okay.
and so I'm worried about the state of the milk, but I can't.
Oh. Hey, John.
Sitting that close to the TV is bad for your health.
Oh no, and the TV stuffed our nose.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Ay caramba!
Oh no.
Your carumba, my carumba.
Oh no.
Beer! Now there's a temporary solution.
Oh. Oh.
Wow.
Wow, I can really smell it. Oh my god. Oh. You guys stink.
Now to spend some quality time away from my family.
Are you leaving?
So,
I won't leave the dough in the oven. I'll take care of it.
my first kiss. I remember it like it was yesterday.
It's special to me, too.
Ay caramba.
Boy, everyone is stupid except for me.